Lake Marian Landing is a boat landing on the west end of the Lake Marian Shores community. It consists of a boat ramp, canal, observation and fishing pier, a parking lot, and a grassy area where certain community events are held, such as the 4th of July fireworks. In the canal that parallels the parking area, you can often see young alligators. You'll also see a variety of birds, including the great blue heron, tricolored herons, snow egrets, black-crowned night herons, wood storks, the American coot, anhinga, limpkins, and double-crested cormorants. While there are no organized expeditions from this landing, many locals go out on the lake in airboats, which are ideal for navigating the wetlands along the shores of Lake Marian and attempting to spot larger alligators. Other boaters launch here to engage in fishing, or bird watching, or just to relax and catch an impressive lake sunset. This landing has a public bathroom facility and can be easily accessed by car, bike, golf cart, or on foot from the neighboring Lake Marian Shores community and the Lake Marian Paradise RV and mobile home park. This is a slideshow of photos that I've taken at Lake Marian Landing over the years, in no particular order.